Moikka! It is Christmas time and all the lovely Christmas craftings are on the table right now. So let's make a Christmas tea bag ribbon. Let's start with cutting those empty used tea bags. Then attach them with glue and make about 5 to 7 ribbons of the pieces. And then let's decorate the ribbons. You can use any kind of media you like. I am using inks and acrylic paint with stencil and some glitter powder and glitter paint. I have never used this powder before and I don't know exactly how to use it. But I decided to put some glue stick and then throw in the powder and see how it behaves. Experimenting is the best part of this crafting, isn't it? And I think it's good to be a little bit Mad Hatter with this stuff. Everything is covered in this beautiful frost and snow here in Finland, so I wanted to add that magic to this ribbon also. You can use this in various ways, for example in card making or ephemera making or backgrounds and so on. Thank you so much for watching and I want to wish you hyvää joulua ja onnellista uutta vuotta 2024. Let's continue with the craftings next year. Moi moi!